The suspension setup consists of a 26.8mm inverted telescopic fork and a single rear shock. On smooth pavement, it is plush enough, but I quickly discovered its limits on the pothole-ridden streets of the inner city. With only 3.5 inches of travel up front and less than 3 inches in the back, big bumps will send a sharp reminder through your spine. The braking system is where the budget nature of the Navi becomes most apparent. I'm dealing with 130mm mechanical drum brakes on both ends. There's no anti-lock braking system here, though Honda did include a combined braking system that links the rear pedal to the front brake to help keep the bike settled. I found the lever feel to be a bit mushy compared to the crisp bite of a hydraulic disc brake. I had to give myself a significant buffer when approaching intersections at speed because the stopping distances are noticeably longer than what I'm used to on a modern mini-moto like the Grom.